Hi, Miss Nava's friends. Welcome to our math lesson for week 5 of distance learning. This week we are going to work on writing and solving word problems. So this is going to be a lot of fun because you're going to get to do some creative thinking and you're going to get to create your own word problems before you get to solve them. So what you need is the equation of the day or equations of the day. Miss Nava will tell you that in our morning message, and they'll also be on our plans for this week. These are the two that we are going to work with today, 20 minus 6 and 15 plus 5. Then you're going to need this piece of paper. This is to help us organize our thinking. If you don't have this piece of paper, just like in reading and like every week, you can use your math journal. So before I get started and we think about creating a word problem and solving it, Miss Nava's going to write her name. And then she's even going to write the date if you have this piece of paper. Or you could even do this in your math journal as well. And so I'm going to put 20 minus 6 away for the moment. So here's my equation, 15 plus 5. The boxes down here, so up here it says use the numbers to write a word problem, solve the word problem, and this is a pictorial model, so to draw a picture to help me solve it. So I'm going to go ahead and just write the equation on my paper so I don't forget. 15 plus 5 equals. So I'm trying to figure out how much it equals. So I'm going to go ahead and just put this to the side. And so I first need to write my word problem before I even solve it. So I have to think, what do I want to write? So to help me, I want you to think about this. We talked about this in class before, and when you were working on creating word problems this week, when you create a word problem, it has to have statement, it has to have another statement, and then it ends in a question. So I need to have 2 statements. So today I think I'm going to think about, I know we were just reading a book about planting seeds and gardening in the spring, so I'm going to plant some seeds. So, I'm going to think of a statement. So a statement is just something. It's not a question. So the statement's going to be Miss Nava planted. And I'm going to look at my first number, 15. 15. What type of seeds do I want to plant today? Ooh, Miss Nava said her favorite vegetable was a tomato, so I'm going to write 15 tomato. So I have one statement. Now I need a second statement. Then I planted, what's my second number? 5. Then I planted 5. I'm going to write carrot seeds. Miss Nava also likes carrot. And now, so I have my statement. I have my second statement. My first statement is Miss Nava planted 15 tomato seeds. My second statement is then I planted 5 carrot seeds. Now I need a question. So my question would be, how many seeds did Miss Nava plant in all? Because I'm trying to figure out how many seeds did I plant in all. So Miss Nava planted 15 tomato seeds, statement 1. My second statement is, then I planted 5 carrot seeds. How many seeds did Miss Nava plant in all? So I can go over here and draw a picture. So I'm I'm gonna just get a different color, and I am gonna do 15 seeds first. And remember, when I do my pictorial model, I'm gonna go ahead and label them so I don't get confused. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and draw all my numbers first. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So there's my 15 tomato seeds. I'm gonna go ahead and use a different marker for my 5 carrot seeds. 1, now I need to count them all to see how many seeds I have all together. So what I could do is I know I have 15 tomato seeds, and then I have 5 more carrots. So I could start at 15, like putting 15 in my head. So I could do 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Or I can count them all together again. So I can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And you could even count them both ways to double check it. So after I did my picture model, I know that 15 plus 5 equals 20. So there I have it. I wrote my word problem, I wrote the equation, and I did the picture model to help me solve the equation. So now we're going to do the same thing. We're going to still use statement, question, but we are going to do it with a subtraction problem. So I'm going to write my name again on this one, and the date. And I'm gonna look to see what my equation is. It's 20 minus 6. So I'm gonna go ahead and write that on my paper down here in the equation box. Or if you're writing in your math journal, put it in your math journal. So I have to think of a statement, and another question, just like we did before. So, Miss Nava lost her pen cap. I'm going to think about gardening again, and I'm going to think Miss Nava picked, what did I pick? I picked 20, because that's my first number, flowers. So there's my first statement. What's my second statement? Now I'm not picking 6 more. I'm having to take away 6. So then she gave 6, because that's my second number, flowers to her mom. Now I need my question. So my question would be, how many does she have left? Because I started with 20 flowers. Miss Nava picked 20 flowers. That's my first statement. Then she gave 6 flowers to her mom. That was my second statement. Now I need to think about my question. How many does she have left? So I need to solve my equation. 20 flowers, take away 6 flowers, gives me what number? So I'm going to draw my picture model. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That doesn't look like a 14. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And I labeled them so I know I have the right ones, but I'm going to count again just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I know I have, these are my 20 flowers. And if you get outside the box, that's okay too. You could use this whole paper. You could even draw actual flowers. Now, I know that I have to take away 6. So I'm just going to cross out 6. I'm going to start at the very bottom. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to circle this number because that shows me that I have 14 flowers left. And I'm just going to double check that again and count the ones that I didn't cross out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I know 20 take away 6 is 14. So I wrote my problem with my statement question. I wrote the equation and I drew a picture model. So that's our math skill for this week. We're gonna work on, you're gonna have some addition equations, you're gonna have some subtraction equations. But whenever you're doing it, it doesn't matter if you're working with subtraction or addition, Miss Nava really wants you to think about this. Statement, question. That's all you need when you write your word problem. Write one statement using the first number, one statement using the second number, and then end in a question. So how many does she have left? How many do I have left? Or how many do I have in all? So I can't wait to see maybe what your word problem's about. Maybe they're about toys, maybe they're about video games, maybe they're about Minecraft or llamas or puppies or candy. I can't wait to hear about them and see about them. Bye, Miss Nava's friends.